Cops ran down. Yo. Damn.
Tell me that your love will never fade away. I should've seen it coming from a mile away. Cause now she's switching up and got a new style. And she dressed it up with a fake smile. Like, girl, I need your loving right now. But it's time for me to let go. Like, girl, you know you left me so cold. Turning to somebody that I don't know.
Car meet vibes, you already know. We got Brian, we got my car, and then we got Connor's car right here. We're about to roll out to this car meet, so as soon as we get there, I'll pick up the camera. Let's get it. All right, look how many people are in here in this spot right now. They're all the way down there, all the way over here. There's so many cars. Guys, this meet is gonna be freaking insane, bro. Oh, there's a cop right there. So we're about to roll out to the second spot right now. Things are gonna get real crazy over there, but as you can see, it's a lot of people at this meet.
Yo, this is about to be wild.
And there's a cop right there all the way in the back. This meet is gonna be insane.
It's about to be wild tonight.
It's gonna get crazy. Let's head to the actual spot now. We gotta roll out. Woo, Mustang. Yeah, somebody got a train horn. Yo, after this guy hit me at the last car meet, I'm traumatized. Anybody behind me, I'm always watching. I'm always watching behind me now because I'm not getting hit again. If you guys didn't see that video, you should go check it out. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check it out. We didn't even get a chance to get into spot 2. Cops already at spot 2. Everybody's turned around and they're all going the other way already. Look. Damn, bro. 2 spots shut down before anything even goes down. To be honest, I think that the cops have the spots because somehow it must have gotten leaked or something. This was like a private meet or something like that. You have to like DM them to go to it, and yeah, I'm pretty sure the cops got the spot because the first spot shut down the second we got there. Second spot already shut down while everybody's going to it. But we're about to try out this third spot. Hopefully everything's good there and we should be chilling, so let's get it. We're still driving. We're out of here. Before we drive off here, there's about 1,000 people over here. As you can see, the line goes literally all the way back there. Okay. Yo. Everybody's just going around making 2 lanes. You can't drive. That's what happened on the highway. Look, like 3 lanes, cars coming towards us, 3 lanes, look. Yo, please don't hit me. That's the 370 from the last meet. He raced the Mustang and almost beat him. I give him that 370 gang. Yo, everybody's just like dispersing right now in all different places. And it's still all the way back there, yo. There's gotta be like 300-400 people at this meet right now. Yo, what's good? Yo, where's the next spot at?
You gotta look at it's on Rip Street's fucking
on their Instagram?
Yeah, bro.
Alright, bet. We out of here. Let's get it, see ya. Yes, sir. Everybody's deep right now. Oh. Hello, everybody. How you guys doing? Hello. Let's see what's going down up here. Shut up. Oh, damn, they crashed? Nah, they're just on the shoulder. News. We got a phone call, let's see. Yo. What's good?
Like 6-car accident?
Somebody got into a car accident?
Yeah, 21. Look at my Snapchat.
I'm on 21 right now, I'm about to pass it.
Dude, holy. You're in the traffic?
Yeah. Well, we're on the shoulder.
Fuck, dude, it's bad.
Alright, we're about to see it right now.
Alright.
Alright, go to Avenue P.
Huh?
Go to Avenue P.
Alright.
Alright.
I love you.
What's good? Oh, really? Oh, shit, that's what's up. What's good, bro? Alright, we out. Hold up, there's an accident on the other side, too. There's literally an accident right there, guys. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Go. Now we chilling. Yo. see the cop car right there. We're almost there. We're almost freaking there, guys. I see the cop car. Guys, they literally blocked off everything. Hopefully nobody got hurt, because that's freaking crazy. Let me get in the car before these cops pull us over. Damn, bro. There's a bunch of them. There's a bunch, look. Watch out for that pothole. Oh my God, bro.
I'm getting out to fall.
Damn, bro. Damn. That's crazy. It's bad. All right, so we got what we needed. The cop said he's gonna tow my car, so we gotta go. But oh my God, hopefully everybody's okay for real, because it's pretty bad. There was like 3-4 cars in that accident. Hopefully everybody's good for real. But we're off to the next spot right now. I'll catch you guys as soon as we get a little bit closer. If anything happens, I'll pick up the camera, so let's go.
Hold up, wait.
All right, we finally made it to a live spot right now. So we gotta go over there. People are doing burnouts, a bunch of crazy stuff. So let's go. Ooh. Yo. So this is what goes down over here. It's a big ass circle with a bunch of burnouts and stuff. I gotta get in the front somehow. Woo. Damn. We got Andres over here. We got Javi. Chunky's back there.
Yo, what's good, bro?
Hey, what's good? What's good? What's good?
Yo, we know you can play us, bro.
That's what's up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's crazy. What's good, yo? What's good? What's good? What's good? Crazy, yo. What's good? What's good? Oh, nah, we can't do that, bro. Chill, don't do me like that. I have a Mustang. Don't do me like that. Yeah, go ahead. Remember what I said. All my videos I say this. Beamer drivers got wheel, bro. BMW drivers got wheel. I always say this. Are they going together? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yo. Get hit with a mine. truck's about to go right now. I'm moving out of the way. There's no way. There's no way. That's just way too big. Damn. Yo, look at the ground that's all his tires. The exhaust pipe. Damn. What the hell? It's on fire?
Someone pissed on it! Yo, who got water? Who got water?
Chilling. Cops ran down, bro. Cops ran down. Yo. Oh my God. Cops just ran down to everybody right now. I'm going to blocking off both entrances. Run, run, run. Oh shit. Yo, what's good? What's good? What's good, yeah?
Let's go, y'all.
What's good, bro?
What's heavy? Free on me, my nigga.
Yes, sir. Free on me, bro. Yo. Yeah, I know. Ah, man. They're still going crazy over there. Yo. One cop versus about 400 people? Definitely not gonna work. Yo! That be happening in Cali, bro. At the Cali car meets, they be messing with the cops, throwing stuff at them. It's crazy. Yo! Standing in front of the cop. Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Right with the cop right there! With the cop right there! Hell yeah! Descend it! With the cop in the background. With the cop in the background, look. With the cop right there! With the cop right there! Yo! This is crazy! Guys, this might have to be a two-part video. I don't know how long this is. When I get home, I'm gonna check all the footage and stuff, but I don't know what's going down right now. The cop's just chilling right there. People are still bugging over there, too. What the hell? This is insane.
They're giving niggas.
You thought it was over? Nah, not today. We gotta go get more footage. Let's go. We're pulling up on him right now. Chilling. There's a GTR right there. There's one GTR. And JJ's GTR right here. Yeah. We just walked with the cop all the way over here. Gotta get the heck out of here, bro.
Clear it up.
He's chilling. He just wants everybody to leave. He doesn't even care. He literally just wants everybody to leave.
Back out right now.
Yeah, right now we gotta walk all the way back. Damn, his tire just blew up. That's crazy. Oh my God. Holy crap. I hope you all enjoyed. That's it for today. I love you guys. See you all in tomorrow's video. Peace out. Subscribe for more. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more content.
Subscribe.
It gets slow each time I run it. Life's too busy, gotta keep it warm.